I have too many motorcycles, so it's time to thin the herd, as they say. I really hate to sell these things because they're getting extremely hard to find, and this happens to be one of the best in my collection. Let's get to the unveiling here. Let's get to some of the details on this bike. This thing ran when parked at some point in its life, more than likely. The bike is 100% original, the same as the day I purchased it. I haven't changed a thing since I purchased it. It has very low matching serial numbers, which I'm sure you're all aware. When you have matching serial numbers like this, the value of the item really goes up. Let's check the miles on the odometer. It looks like it has 5,555.0 miles on it. Since the bike is about 30 years old, it has a little bit of patina on it. If I'm not mistaken, hang on a second. I believe there's extra patina inside the fuel tank. Oh, some just came out. I'll try to put it back in there. Oh, more came out. See that? I took the gas tank off so I could show you a few more details. If there happens to be any parts missing from the bike, they're very, very easily obtainable on eBay, anything you need, and they're cheap parts. This bike happens to come with some two-stroke oil. It's got some fuses. This has, doesn't have, but that's alright, you can get that from Ed Toomey, that piece there. By the way, all that patina increases the value. I'm sure you're all aware of it. Oh, look at that. It has the original sticker here. What else? I don't know. This thing could easily be restored, or you could leave it as is. Some say restoration decreases the value of these things. I don't know. I'll leave that up to you, whether you want to restore it or not. There's a nice view of the left side. Hang on a second. Oh, alright, it stopped. If you're wondering about the title for this bike, I don't know why the previous owner didn't transfer the title and register this thing. I hate when people do that, but I do have an out-of-state, I think it's a Georgia title for this thing. As soon as you pay me for it and the cash is secured, I'll look for the lost title. If I don't find it, don't worry, just go to the DMV and request a new title. It's really, really easy. Look, I'm not looking to make a fortune on this sale. Basically just recover my investment, okay? I think we should start the bidding at $12,995.95. I've seen RZ350s sell for a lot more than that. What do you think? You could probably double your investment on this thing. So that's it, peeps. If you need any more details on this thing, leave a comment, question in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to answer. Oh, I think there might be a slight little indentation here, but those pop right out. You could take it to the paintless dent repair guy, and that would be fixed in no time. Yeah.